Hey, first bath not in the sink. Look who can sit up and splash.
Riley, go. Hi.
She's gonna lead to us mopping our floor more often. This is good. Where's Daddy? Oh.
Hey, how can you not hear me with those ears of yours? I mean, those are just ridiculous.
Hey, say be nice. Say be
Riley,
nice.
go.
Oh. Yeah. Good girl.
Where'd it go?
Oh, where'd it go?
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, look at her. Where'd it go, Ross? Honey, where'd it go? So sad. Oh,
Good
look
girl.
back here. Yay!
Drama. Good girl.